Okay, group. So number 5 here on our 5.4, 5.5 extra practice, Nina was curious about the height of the Eiffel Tower. She used a 1.2 meter model of the tower and measured its shadow at 2 p.m. The length of the shadow was 0.9 meters long. Then she measures the Eiffel Tower shadow, and it was 240 meters. What is the height of the Eiffel Tower? So if you look at our triangles, we just have to set up a proportion. So our 0.9 will match up with our 240, and our 1.2 will match up with x, and we're going to solve for x. So we'll cross multiply, and then we'll divide by 0.9. So that means that the height of the Eiffel Tower is 320, and we can put meters in there. Okay, number 6. In the diagram below, a wooden support brace is placed on a structure creating 2 similar triangles. Find the height of the brace H. So I'm going to go ahead and redraw the triangles just so that we have the measurements correct. So we know that this is 7 and this is H. Okay, we know that this whole thing is 15 and that this is 9. So we're going to put H and 9 as a proportion and 7 and 15 as a proportion, and now we can cross multiply. Oops. That one should have been 63. So our height is 4.2 feet. Okay, number 7. The sail shown below has a horizontal stripe parallel to the base of the sail. What is the distance x from the bottom of the sail to the stripe? So if you want to draw new triangles, you absolutely can. We're just going to go ahead and do this based on what we're given here. So 4.8 will correspond to 12. And then 10 will correspond to 10 plus x. Because if we add those two together, we get that whole side. Okay, I'm going to put my 10 plus x in parentheses and then cross multiply. (10 times 12 gets us 120. I'm going to distribute my 4.8. And we'll subtract 48 from both sides. So we end up with x equals 15. One more. All right, number 8. Chris wanted to find the height of the flagpole outside of his school. So he placed a mirror 24 feet from the base of the flagpole and walked backwards so that he was 8 feet from the mirror. That's right here. Okay, he's 5 feet tall. So we want to find the height of the flagpole. So the 5 and the H will correspond. And the 8 and 24 will correspond. Now we can cross multiply. So the height of the flagpole is 15, and that should be